Hi, this is going to be a very short video. A few days ago, the Dangote Peugeot Automobiles Nigeria (DPAN) started assembly of Peugeot vehicles in Nigeria with models like the Landtrek 308, 508 and 508 as kickoff models, which is actually expected since Peugeot already began assembling cars in Ghana and South Africa. But this is perhaps a major threat to the leading automobile company, Innoson Nigeria. The newly commissioned assembly is said to be capacitated to assemble 120 cars in one day. This can definitely be termed a relaunch of the Peugeot brand, as it is no newcomer in the Nigerian automobile market. So, should IBM consider the Dangote Peugeot Automobiles Nigeria a threat? Definitely yes, and here's why. The Peugeot brand has an heritage in the Nigerian automobile market. Peugeot is the first automobile company with an assembly plant in Nigeria, and the memories of the then produced models are still fresh in the mind of Nigerians, with some of the models still running fine and well after decades on decades, which to me might give Peugeot an edge in the mind of a modern Nigeria. But this might definitely turn out to be a regional market playout. Interesting. The kickoff lineup is extremely attractive. Having an all SUV lineup is really sexy and attractive, except for the 508, which is a sedan of course. The lineup is amazing and all the cars have a large quotient of attractive sides, which is one beautiful thing about the modern Peugeot lineup. The addition of the Landtrek mid-size pickup makes the lineup even more desirable. Pricing. Though official pricing have not been announced yet by the Dangote Peugeot Automobiles Nigeria, but since the Peugeot models are already being sold in other countries, prices can be adequately predicted, with the list price ranging from 10 million naira to the 30 million naira mark, which is somewhat similar to the price range of Innoson models. But let's see how it all plays out. Now, this might be too early, but I believe IBM got themselves a major competition here, but the market is definitely large enough for everyone. But let's not forget, the name Dangote is attached here, which might definitely give Dangote Peugeot Automobiles Nigeria a heads up. But like I said earlier on, let's see how it all plays out. And please, if you haven't subscribed, please do, and do turn on the notification bell to get alerts of new uploads. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.